up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your makeup in 5 minutes, and this is for my babes who they want to leave the house and they want a little bit of a glam, but they're not necessarily trying to do like a full face of makeup. If that is you, then this video is definitely for you. I do only use a few products to do this look, and I will have all of that linked down below. I'm going to be showing y'all how to do an everyday makeup look in less than 5 minutes. Let's hop into the video. Okay, boo? All right, y'all, so this is the final look in natural lighting, and as you guys can see, it's giving very much natural. This is more so a makeup look that I do on my day-to-day basis. Weekdays, honey, we need to be in and out, in and out, in and out. So this is all that I have for you guys today. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you guys in my next video.